DFW Texas Web Designers. Everything you need to know. When looking for web designers, there are several mistakes to avoid to ensure you get the best results for your project. Mistake number 1. Not checking portfolio of previous work. Always ask for a portfolio of previous work and check references to avoid this mistake. Mistake number 2. Not setting clear goals and expectations. Clearly define your goals and expectations before hiring a web designer to avoid this mistake. Mistake number 3. Choosing a designer based solely on price. Consider the value and quality of work, not just the price, to avoid this mistake. Mistake number 4. Not considering mobile responsiveness. Ensure the web designer creates a mobile responsive design to avoid this mistake. Mistake number 5. Not communicating effectively with the designer. Maintain open communication throughout the design process to avoid this mistake. Here are the most asked questions about DFW Texas web designers. Question number 1. How long does it take to complete a website design? The timeline for website design can vary depending on the complexity of the project. Question number 2. Do you provide ongoing maintenance and support? Yes, we offer ongoing maintenance and support services for our clients. Question number 3. Can I update my website content myself? Yes, we can provide a content management system for you to update your website. Question number 4. What is your pricing structure? Our pricing structure is based on the scope of the project and specific client needs. Question number 5. Do you offer SEO services? Yes, we offer SEO services to help improve your website's visibility. Question number 6. Can you integrate e-commerce functionality into my website? Yes, we have experience in integrating e-commerce functionality into websites. Question number 7. How do you ensure the security of my website? We implement security measures such as SSL certificates and regular updates to protect your website. Question number 8. Do you provide website hosting services? Yes, we offer website hosting services for our clients. Question number 9. Can you help with branding and logo design? Yes, we offer branding and logo design services to create a cohesive brand identity. Question number 10. What is your design process like? Our design process involves collaboration with the client, wireframing, design mockups, and revisions. Call us now at 682-358-3942 and visit dfwdesignpros.com. Thank you for considering DFW Texas Web Designers for your website needs.